How to buy Baby Niza token. So this token came under the symbol of Babya. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Don't forget to check the Telegram channel. Now, this token is will be listed on MEXC, so if you can buy it on your account. So now we show you how to buy this token on your account if it's listed on MEXC. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account. And if you don't have an account on MEXC, go in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards. And after that, in the search bar, you can type the Baby or Babya, the token name. After that, you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it and wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, this token, it will be live for trading about 9 hours from now. So if this account if this token it's live for trading, now you can click on limits and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see the total that you should pay of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy Babya. Now if you select the market, just drag this to set how much percentage as you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy Babya token. And if you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.